We will not all die before we fraternize.
Morning, sir.
How you doing?
How did you intend to go without life? Sometimes you see what the devil wants.
You're on. I go say 1 million. No worry. How much? 100,000. No worry now. Sama. Hold on.
And this panel, this one. See the pen. What are these ones? The daily warfare is outside this gate. This place, we only show the cinema, the 3-meter corridor. So how you put spec here, whether a better opposition, whether they shift to but I know it put spec. They don't shift because it's the end of speak
From your heavens, and the earth will hear. Oh, speak from your heavens, and the
Our
earth
stand, we're not supposed
will
to be
hear.
outside the property first.
My altar is calling you, oh God. My altar, may the fire from you. It's a prayer point. Please just make it a prayer wherever you are. Send fire upon this altar. Hallelujah. Matthew chapter 4, verse 15 and 16. Very quickly. Everybody just give me your attention.
End of
Matthew 4, verse 15
and outside
and
of
16. You see, God's strategy remains the same. From generation to generation, the strategy remains the same. When God sees darkness ravaging people, when God sees darkness ruling over the people, God is not interested in actually making something that is different. Different from darkness.
I will take a break, but it's not been long since
Everybody
I
can be in
started,
darkness.
so I'll
Everybody
take a
can be
break
limited
later.
by that situation, by that circumstances.
I took water before I even started doing this, so don't worry, bro. I will take a water break. Clash King, thank you for your concern.
People cannot
Much
follow something
appreciated.
they don't know is possible. Every time God gives one man ventilation, a great deal of people follow that same energy. They know that if it can happen with this one, so what you see, this is what God will do in some of your life. You will be the first to step into a season, a realm, a capacity in your family, in your bloodline. It will now become evident that it is possible.
We have a lot of work that we're doing over here.
Why do
To the
people
grace
become
of
so
God,
great and then they return back from time to time to those
to the glory
same,
of I am.
backgrounds of challenge?
A lot
They
of
want
work
to just
being
come and
done here.
become a living proof that if it happens to me, it is a possibility. And for security reasons.
So right now, we're just letting the gun,
Yeah, I'll say it.
we're just making way for our
There's a
pipes.
brother of ours.
Making way for our pipes. You see the pipe here, our PE pipe for our water
He had
line.
played football,
We're making the way.
and the
There
Lord
are
has
some
granted him
rocks on the
so
way, on the
much favor
path, so
that
we had to
he had
get our
played it
driller
international
so that we
stage,
could drill
and he has
some of the
been so much
rocks.
favor. From time to time, when
Abidjan
he
ally.
returns,
Hey, we find rock inside here.
you will see the hope of everybody who were almost giving up and saying this thing is not working. Once you see one hope, it's a way, it's like
Let
a
the
revival.
fire from
What
you.
Satan wants is to
We've
make
drilled some boreholes on
everything
this
dull,
site.
everything moody,
We've drilled like
discouragement here
5,
and there.
if I'm not
What
mistaken.
God does is that He raises
At
examples to
several
men,
points, but they are
so
not
that
so.
once you can see
They are
that
not
it is
that far
possible,
from each other.
everybody
But
is
there has to be
energized.
space. But
I
it's
repeat
not
it
good
again.
for your
Many of
boreholes
you
to be so
sitting here,
close to each
you are
other.
that one
So
person God wants to use
there has
to
to be some
change the
distance
narrative of your
between
family.
your boreholes.
There are many people who don't know yet that it is possible to be young and blessed.
We had a tank inside
You
here
are
for
the
a while,
one
but
God wants to tell that
we
story to.
removed it
There are many people,
because we
some
don't need it
families
anymore.
represented here,
Because we've
they don't
channeled the
know what
water
good health is.
directly
Everybody is
into
battling
the
something. You are the first
tank.
person God wants to use to show that
That you
divine
can
health
see
is
down
real.
there. Let me
There are
zoom in
people
so you
here,
can sight it.
all your
See that
family know is
GP tank
delay,
over there?
stagnation,
That's where this
retrogression.
water.
You are about to change the
If you
narrative.
look over there,
Every
watch
time
our
God
previous
shows that
videos.
one is
The water
possible,
coming from the
it
spring,
is
channel them to those tank over there. So yeah, everything is going well. This is one of the boreholes that we drilled. You can see
His
this pipe
attention is to isolate a
to,
man.
to
That one man
signify,
will
to
become an
indicate
extension of that
that those where
same
we drilled the
visitation
borehole.
to him.
So we have to close it so
I
that
don't know
dirt
what God will do
and
with some
paper
of
would
you
enter
here
inside. You can hear that
tonight.
sound, right?
I don't
The reason
care
why you hear
the
that sound is
kinds
because
of
of the
darkness
vacuum
that have
space
affected your
inside.
background. I don't
So
even care the
yeah,
causes
that
that they
vibration.
said have
So
kept everybody bound.
we are ready to start operating the borehole. We are going to open it. We are going to install the pump inside, the submersible pump inside. Then we're going to cut it. It's not going to be this high anymore once we're trying to install the borehole. And we'll do the same for the other boreholes that we've drilled. So let me go and meet some of our workers and interview them for you guys. So they'll give you a take on what we are doing. Hi Nadine. Hello. Chairman, I greet you. Fine. These are some of our materials over here. I don't want to zoom in too far because there are other people doing work on the side that are not related to our own work in particular. So I want to give them their privacy, if you know what I mean. Our work is mostly plumbing, more of our work is more of the internal water work, the foundation, the water foundation. That's more of what our work is all about, like things like the boreholes and the water line where people are going to get water from and stuff like that. Then if there will be a swimming pool in this site, we're still going to be the ones to make the swimming pool, to construct it, because in this very estate, this is a particular phase of the estate, but in the other phases that they had made, we were the ones who made their swimming pools. The majority of the swimming pools were constructed by us. So we do have experience, lots of experience in that area. Swimming pool, borehole, water reticulation, installation of sanitary wares. Your sanitary wares are your toilets, your sinks, your basins, your those things you use in your kitchen are water related. We also do internal and external piping work, piping connection, all of that. Make sure that water is running smoothly in your estate, in your school, in your facility. We also construct swimming pools and have it running well, the engine room, all the equipment, all the tools. If you need an underground tank, we also do that as well. Anything that you can think of that relates to water, purification of your water, your drinking water, your bathing water, all of that, installation of water heaters, all of that, we do it. So no dulling here. I should carry this to the world. I think I can end my live video now. Excuse me for belching loud.
Jam will die. There are jams that are virulent, so they can survive extreme conditions. Maybe it can survive 50 degrees Celsius, increased temperature. Pornography is still there. Increased temperature, 70 is still there. Enter 90. Now say it's not pornography again. It's only memory of the old man. Enter 100 at boiling point. Look back and see what is alive. Anything that survives 100 is alive. In your life, what you need is more temperature. So increase the dose. Somebody say you are disturbing us. You are disturbing us.